Chris Brown recently reunited with his kids Royalty and Aeko in Mykonos, Greece, and we've exclusively learned he had an absolutely blast. Chris Brown, 32, and his kids, Royalty, 6, and little Aeko, 1, had some fun in the sun during a fun-filled reunion in Mykonos, Greece last week. Not only were they splashing around in a pool together, but they enjoyed the tropical weather, too. Chris had an absolute blast in Greece with Royalty and Aeko. Chris knew he wanted to spend some time with both kids this summer, so he made arrangements with Amika and Nia to take them on this trip to Mykonos. He's been to Greece before, but never to Mykonos, so he wanted it to be special. Plus, the weather is beautiful and warm, so it felt like the perfect place, a source told Hollywood Life exclusively. Chris had a slew of fun activities planned for him and the kids, and he really had the time of his life. He spent all his time during the day hanging out with them, laughing, playing, etc. At night, once the kids were asleep, he headed out with a few friends and let loose at Toy Room, a private nightclub for invited guests only, our source added. Chris's mom Joyce Hawkins initially shared some fun videos of Chris and his kids on Instagram, but they have since been deleted. Perhaps Chris wasn't happy with his mom sharing his intimate vacation with his kids online. She did leave up a few photos from Mykonos, in general, though, and you can see those below. This thing called life. Each day I get one more chance to make it right. It's all about peace to me and love. Only positive energy please, she captioned one shot. Chris, Joyce and Royalty flew to Greece from Florida, while his and Amika Harris's son flew in from Germany, where he currently resides with his mother. It sounds like they had a great time together, and we can't wait to hear about the next family adventure.